Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. Great success has always gone to those who have worked the hardest. While that may mean putting in many hours of the day to make that money, the results can be stellar. This video will guide you through some ideas which can help you make money online without working too hard. Take surveys. The internet is full of surveys. They're fun and easy. Usually, these surveys don't pay a lot. This is easy when you have some downtime, and that money can quickly add up. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. Try to flip names for domains. In fact, it could be quite lucrative. You do have to have money to start. Obtain the latest trends in keywords by utilizing Google AdSense and similar sites. Focus on domains containing acronyms. Predicting popular domain names of the future can be quite profitable. Give it a try. Join a focus group if you want to make some money on the side. These groups gather together from an internet hub at a physical location where they will talk about a new product or service that is out on the market. Generally, these groups will gather in very big cities near you. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. Use affiliates on your personal website. Do you have a blog or some other sort of presence online? Do you get a lot of traffic? Try affiliate marketing. It requires very little effort on your part. By registering your site with sites like Google AdSense, you could make a considerable amount in passive income. While working hard will bring you great rewards, working efficiently will leave you the work-life balance you dream of. The tips here will ensure that you make your work online more efficient. The more tips you implement, the greater the results you will see, so try them all out today. Student loan.